Throughout history there have always been pioneers who set new directions. They were the first to show that the impossible can be made possible. There is a company, created by visionaries and engineers. This company will build something that nobody else has yet succeeded in building. Water Discus. This is a combination of an underwater hotel and resort. Its uniqueness lies in the use of proven and prepared marine solutions. Each aspect of the project has been refined and tested in leading research and academic centers. Water Discus will be built in a modern shipyard like a normal watercraft. Thanks to this, the hotel as a floating unit can easily and quickly be transported as a ready-made object to any place around the world. Water Discus Hotel comprises of 2 discs underwater and above water. This combination would allow guests to admire the depths of the ocean while making the most of the warm climate above. For the first time in history, people will be able to live underwater safely and comfortably. Time spent in these mesmerizing environments will be among of the greatest breakthroughs that the tourist industry has ever seen, providing a breathtaking, once-in-a-lifetime experience. Water Discus. Welcome to another world. Your world.